Life is good. There's a lot of support and love from a lot of people. Couldn't be happier if I tried.
We have a mutual friend who introduced us when I was very young. He just became my buddy.
Is it weird to say fiance?
We have all kinds of words.
We have lots of
stick
words.
with human.
Human's the best word.
What's my Newman?
We have 9.
4 dogs, 3 cats.
Been friends for like 8.5 or 9 years now, and honestly, just friends.
I'm the luckiest man on the planet.
Is it too much to ask for every Sunday?
I'm a Nikki fan. Would you tell her to say
I will. Hell yeah.
I am too.
I know people make promises all the time, then they turn right around and break them. And someone cut your heart open with a knife, now you bleed, yeah. But I could be that guy to heal it over time, and I won't stop until you believe it.
She told me what to wear.
He was really busy, and sometimes a woman has to step up and just pull it together somehow.
You might look around and find your dreams come true with me. Spend all your time and your money just to find out that my love was free. So don't act like it's a bad thing to fall in love with me. It's not a bad thing to fall in love with me.
Whether you're 10 or you're 100, have people over your house. Talk to them about it. Find them. Hi.
Now how about I be the last voice you hear tonight, and every other night for the rest of the nights that there are. And every morning I just wanna see you
Being
staring
around
back
this
to
community
me,
all the time.
'cause I know that's a good place to start. I know people make promises
I'm,
all the time.
I don't know, it feels sort of complete, you know?
And someone cut your heart open with
We're very happy, and life is good, and I'm very lucky.
Ian and I have a lot of things that were, while not exactly the same, sort of like we were living parallel lives in a sense.
'cause baby you're worth it. So don't act like it's a bad thing to fall in love with me, 'cause you might look around.
So you missed the deadline if you were working. What she said.
Spend all your time and
No,
your
you
money just to find out that my love was free. So don't act like it's a bad thing to fall in
Can I say hi?
love.
Really quickly?
Hi, guys. But I love it. It's gonna happen.
It's not a bad thing to fall in love with me. Not such a bad
How easy or hard was it to pick out the ring?
One can only imagine.
broken promises and ways.
It's the things that you see in films or you read about in literature or you see on stages or you hear in songs. There are times in your life that are literally so beautiful that to take it all in is just, it's nearly impossible.
Don't act like it's a bad
This is
thing.
Ian Somerhalder, my better half, best known for his ability to change the planet and the world and everything he comes across.
This is my wife, Nikki Reed, my better half, who is known for that smile that changes people's lives.
Fall in love with me. It's not a bad thing.
Green Award. You can tell, I mean, literally, I had all the stuff I was going to say. I can't remember a single thing.
Thank you, so I think that was really well said.
Thanks, baby.
You got it. Good? Fun.